This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. A year from now, you will wish you have started to learn how to trade today. And that's what we're going to talk about, friends, how to trade within the trend. So we're going to quickly move over to our charts. And as usual, we're going to start with EUR USD to make sure we're still trading within the trend. Okay, this particular market is a buy market. We have our buy stop order in. The market has not rallied to even hit our buy order, so we're just waiting patiently for something to take off. So we still have a day or two to see how this market should fare, but we do have our buy order and we are waiting patiently. And patience is another rule of trading. It's like one of our 4 rules of trading, patience. GBP USD. This is also a buy market. We actually had a buy order in. We also had a stop loss in at our entry point. The market had pulled back significantly where it hit our stop loss at our entry point and just knocked us out the market. So we are no longer in that market. So we're going to wait. We're not going to place another buy order in that market because of the pullbacks. We're just going to wait and see, engage the market. Okay, USD CHF. This is a sell market. We have our sell order in and we've been paying ourselves every single day. So friends, if you're in this market, go ahead and pay yourself. So our first rule of trading is to pay yourself first. We're going to have many opportunities tonight to be able to pay ourselves today. Okay, we usually have a large enough lot size so we're able to take a lot every single day off of all of our 20 plus profitable markets. Okay, now for everyone else who is not in the market, our buy sell indicator is the 50 period moving average. This indicator is positioned in between the 200 and the 500 simple moving average, and whenever that is the case, we do not place any trades when our indicator is within that zone. So because the indicator is in that zone, for everyone who's not in that market, stay out of it for right now. Everyone else, pay yourself. Another reminder, our rule 2 of trading is make sure you have your stop loss at your entry point. Once that market starts to take off and we start seeing some positive trade, go ahead and put in a stop loss at your entry point. We never put it in at the inception. We wait until the market takes off. We drop that stop loss in and then we pay ourselves, which is the first rule of trading. Second rule of trading, place the stop loss in thereafter once the market takes off and you see some profits, okay? Okay, friends, USD JPY. This is a sell market. We actually had a sell order in, but the market had pulled back on us and it actually hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market. But we're going to go ahead and jump back into this market with a sell stop order. Okay, we're going to jump in with a sell stop order. Okay, EUR CHF. This is a buy market. We've been buying this and we've been paying ourselves off of this market. So pay yourself, friends. Everyone who's in this market, pay yourself. This is a buy market. EUR GBP. This is also a buy market. We have our buy order in here. It hit our buy order, but then the market pulled back on us. This is still a buy market right now. We're just going to hold off. Patience, friends. Patience. 4th rule of trading, patience. The market will tell us whether or not the trend is changing or will change or has changed. In the event that the market says this is no longer a buy market, we're going to go ahead and take our minor loss and jump out of the market. We probably take losses maybe 2-3 times a month. No big deal because we pay ourselves nicely every single day. Okay, EUR JPY. This is a sell market. We in here selling. We got our order in there a while ago. The next thing we like to do is when that trend changes from buy to sell or sell to buy, we get in at the inception and we put our order in. When that market starts to rally, we're paying ourselves every day. We drop our stop loss in there to protect our order. no, so we won't have any problems down the road, okay? But everyone, this is a sell market. GBP, CHF. This is also a sell market. We have our sell order in, but there's low volatility in this market. It hasn't hit our sell order yet. We're just waiting patiently. Patience, friends. GBP, JPY. This is also a sell market. We had our sell order in here. Unfortunately, it hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out. But we're going to get back into this market here. We're going to drop in another sell stop order, friends, into this market, and we'll see how this pans out. So if your order is still going with your sell order, wonderful. Everyone else, put in your sell stop order. CHF, JPY, this is another sell market. We're selling and we're paying ourselves. Pay yourself today, friends. Pay yourself today. Okay, so now we're going to look at our oil markets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring open our chart, and we're going to take a look at our oil market. And we usually start off with Brent crude, so we're going to get that market up here. Okay, so here's the Brent crude market, friends. As you can see here from the screen, the green 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500, which indicates a no buy, no sell zone. So since we don't already have a trade going, we're not going to place a trade as long as this indicator is in between those 2 points, okay? So let's take a look at Brent spot. Okay, the same thing with this particular market. The 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. So that is our no buy, no sell zone. Okay, our next one we're going to move over to is WTI crude. Okay, friends, this is also a sell market. We put our sell trade in. As you can see, our 50 period moving average is outside of the 200 and the 500. And as you can see, the shading is red, which denotes this is a sell market. We got in yesterday with our sell order, friends, and I hope you got in yesterday and placed that sell order. So now that the market has taken off, friends, and we are seeing positive results from this market, we're going to go ahead and drop in our stop loss at our entry point, friends, and we're going to pay ourselves today from this market. Can't get any better than that, friends. It's just wonderful. We can pay ourselves every single day. And then now we're going to take a look at WTI spot. Now, this is another market we got in yesterday. We dropped in our sell order, and as you can see from the chart, the 50 period moving average is outside of the 200 and the 500, and we see that the shading is red, which denotes a strong sell market. So we jumped in there, friends. We jumped in there yesterday, got our sell order, and we're seeing positive results. Go ahead and pay. First rule of trading, friends, pay yourself first. First rule of trading. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Now, this is another market that people are interested in, is Bitcoin. So bringing open this chart here, our 50 period moving average is positioned underneath the 200 and the 500. We see that the shading is red, which denotes this is a sell market, red for sell. And so we've been selling this for quite a while, and we're paying ourselves every day off this market. We have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event the market turns on us, it will knock us out at our entry point with no loss. But until then, we are paying ourselves a lot off of each one of our profitable markets, friends. Don't get any better than that. Okay, so we're going to take a look at ETH/USD. This is another sell market. I mentioned before that some of these coin markets, they have very low volatility. Day traders may choose not to get involved in these markets because there's just not enough volatility. But in this particular market, this is a sell market. It is doing some pullbacks. I would not put another sell trade in here because of the pullbacks and because of the low volatility in these markets. It's just I just don't like these markets. So, but this is a sell market. I would suggest you not put a sell order. If you're not already in this market, stay out of it for right now. LTC USD. Now this is a buy market. So buy stop orders only, but this is another slow moving market. So you have to make a decision whether or not you want to engage in this. But you know what, friends? Actually, it's too late. It's too late for us now. The 50 period moving average has moved into the no buy, no sell zone. So if you're not already in this market, stay out of it. It's too late. Too late. That's our third. If it's too late, it's too late. We'll have another opportunity to get into this market if that's what you choose. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at silver. And this is another chart that people, gold and silver is another market that people are quite interested in. So we're going to bring that chart open to show how it is trending. Okay, friends, so as you can see, the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. So those of you all who are not in the market, this is our no buy, no sell zone. So if you're not already in it, then no buy, no sell. But for the rest of us, we got in early. As you can see, we got in early when the 50 period moving average was outside of those 2 points, and as you can see, the shading is is blue, which denotes a bull market, which is a buy market. So we got in early with our trade. We dropped our stop loss in at our entry point, and we've been paying ourselves nicely, one lot off of this market every single day. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at gold. This is another market that people like. Okay, as you can see, the 50 period moving average is underneath the 200, 500, and we see that the shading is blue, denoting a bull market. We have our buy order in there, friends. We got in about a week ago, and we finally started seeing profits yesterday. So this is so now we're paying ourselves. We've been paying ourselves a lot off of this market in the silver market. We got our stop loss in the event the market should turn around abruptly. Our trade is protected. Okay, friends, now we're going to move over to our next market, which is USD MXN. This is also a sell market, friends. We were selling this market, but we had a stop loss in at our entry point. The market pulled back, knocked us out of the market, so we're out of this market for right now. If you want to get back in it, it will be sell stop orders only. Sell stop orders only. EURNOK. This is a buy market. We got into this market last week. We're seeing positive results this week. It took a week because of the holidays to see any movement in these markets. So now these markets are taking off. We are paying ourselves. Hopefully you got your trade in there last week like we talked about, and you should be seeing positive results. So next thing to do, friends, is to pay yourself. EURZAR. This is a buy market here, friends. We had our buy stop order in, but the market has continued to pull back, pull back, pull back, and we have never seen it hit our order. So we're going to wait. Patience, and rule number 4, patience. Just wait on the market. It will tell you when the trend has changed. In the event that it does, we will just pull this order out. It never activated anyway. We'll just go ahead and delete the order, and we will reposition and pivot. Okay? We're always adjusting our sales. We adjust our sales, okay, towards the win. USD and okay, this is another sell market. We've just been selling this for a while, friends. It did hit our sell order, but the market pulled back. So we're just waiting. In the event that this market should, the trend should change on us, we're just going to go ahead, take our minor loss, and we're going to reposition. So like I said, we're taking minor losses maybe 2-3 times a month. No big deal. Look at it as paying rent. We have to pay back the market, but the market pays us every single day. of trading. And if we have to pay the market back 2-3 times a month, no big deal. No big deal at all. We do not sweat it. We go ahead and pay that back, and we continue to make our money. Okay, USD SEK. Okay, this is another sell market, friends. We have our sell stop order in. Unfortunately, the market has never pulled down to even hit our order. So we're just waiting. Patience. We're just waiting. Nothing's going to happen until nothing is happening. So we're just going to wait. We still have to the end of the week at a couple of days to see how this is going to work. So we'll just leave that trade in there and see what happens. USD SGD. Now, for friends, if this is a sell market for everyone who's already in this market, pay yourself. We got in very early. We got in at the inception. So as soon as the trend changed in this particular market, it went from buy to sell, we jumped in with both feet. Both feet we jumped in, friends. And then we just started paying put our stop loss in, and we've been paying ourselves every single day for several weeks, okay? Several weeks. And we're going to continue to pay ourselves off of this market. Now, for everyone else, it's too late. The indicator has moved into that buy, no sell zone. So if you're not already in it, you missed your window for right now. There's going to be, look like next week, you might have an opportunity to get into this market. But for right now, you're just going to wait it out. USD ZAR. This is a sell market, friends. We placed our sell order in, I don't know, a week or so ago. Now it's almost close to, we're almost close to seeing some profits. Not yet. We're just going to wait patiently. That's what we have to do. We have to wait on the market. Okay, we wait on the market. Let's take a look at our next chart, which is CAD, CHF. Now I'm going to bring this chart up too, friends. This is a chart that we have been following.